What is the most effective weight loss method or program? Losing weight is a journey, not a destination. Once you have lost the weight you want, it is important to maintain that change and keep your body healthy. There are many different programs and methods out there, so it can be hard to determine which one is best for you. Identify your weight loss goals. There is no one-size-fits-all answer regarding weight loss, as the most effective method or the program will depend on your individual goals and preferences. However, some popular weight loss methods or programs include dieting, exercise, and weight loss supplements. Dieting is the most common approach to weight loss, and it can be effective for some people. However, dieting can also be difficult to maintain over the long term, leading to feelings of deprivation and cravings. Exercise is another popular weight loss method, and it can help you burn calories and reduce your risk of obesity. However, exercise can also be uncomfortable and strenuous, so it may not suit everyone. Weight loss supplements are another popular weight loss approach. These supplements can help you lose weight by boosting your body's natural ability to burn calories. However, it is important to note that supplements are not necessarily safe, so you should use caution when using them. Set a caloric deficit. There are several effective weight loss methods or programs, but the most effective way to lose weight is by setting a caloric deficit. This means eating fewer calories than you burn. To make this easier, use a calorie calculator to figure out your daily caloric needs. Once you know your numbers, set a goal to lose 1 to 2 pounds weekly. If you are not losing weight after 12 weeks, it may be because you are not following the correct diet or exercise plan. Talk to a doctor or nutritionist to help find the right program for you. Change your diet. The best weight loss method is not a single way but a combination of different methods. A good diet is the most important part of any weight loss program. Ensure to include healthy foods in your diet and avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. You also need to exercise regularly if you want to lose weight. High-intensity interval training or regular aerobic exercise are great ways to increase your heart rate and burn calories. Increase your exercise. One effective weight loss method or program is increasing your exercise. Exercise can help to burn calories and reduce your overall weight. Exercise can also improve your mood, mental well-being, and physical health. You can do many different types of exercise to lose weight, such as walking, running, biking, swimming, elliptical training, pilates, and yoga. Finding a type of exercise that is enjoyable for you and fits into your lifestyle is important. Aim for long-term weight loss. There is no one-size-fits-all answer regarding weight loss, as different methods and programs work better for different people. That said, some general tips can help you achieve long-term success. 1. Aim for a healthy weight. Whether you're trying to lose or maintain your current weight, ensure that your food is healthy. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of saturated and unhealthy fats. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat proteins. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise not only helps to burn calories, but also has other health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of exercise per day. 3. Make changes to your life. Shedding pounds requires more than just diet and exercise alone. It's also important to make changes to your lifestyle. Make sure to avoid eating late at night, keep your screen time limited, and try to get enough sleep every night. Types of weight loss programs. There are many types of weight loss programs out there, and it can be hard to decide which is the best for you. Here are some of the most popular methods. Healthy diet, aerobic exercise, weight loss supplements, gastric bypass surgery, bariatric surgery, weight loss via surgical alteration of the stomach. Each option has its benefits and drawbacks. It's important to choose the right program for you and to understand your goals. There are many weight loss methods or programs, but ultimately it comes down to finding one that is right for you. Some people swear by Atkins, while others swear by the Mediterranean diet. Ultimately, the most important part is finding a method or program that you can stick with to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Once you have found an effective weight loss method or program, keep up the good work and don't give up on your dreams.